Hello everyone, welcome to the series of mathematical economics. In this video I am going to discuss types of matrices. In the previous video I have discussed the meaning and order of a matrix. You can find more videos on mathematical economics, econometrics, SPSS, RStudio, Microeconomics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the idea of types of matrices. Now we know that matrix is a rectangular arrangement. So suppose we have matrix A, which is A11, A12 up to A1n. Similarly A21, A22 to A2n, AM1, AM2 up to AMN. And order of the matrix is M cross N. Here M is number of rows and N is number of columns. Now let's understand the types of matrices. So first is row matrix. First is row matrix. Now what do we mean by row matrix? A matrix which has only one row. Matrix with only one row. So suppose matrix A is equal to 7 minus 5 10 17. So here you can see we have only one row and 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns. So this matrix is row matrix and it is written as A 1 cross 4. Same way we have column matrix. We have column matrix. So what is column matrix? A matrix which has only one column. A matrix which has only one column. See this example. Suppose we have matrix B 11 minus 6 minus 4 12. Now here you can see we have only one column but there are 4 rows 1 2 3 4. So what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 4 cross 1. Then we have square matrix. Third is square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. So M is equal to N. In square matrix, number of rows is equal to number of columns. So suppose A is equal to 1 7 minus 8 11. So here you can see we have 2 rows, row 1, row 2 and 2 columns. So therefore matrix A, the order of matrix A is 2 cross 2. So A is our square matrix because we have 2 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, suppose we have 3 rows and 3 columns. -6, 4, 16, 7, 5, 1, 9, 11, -5. So here we have 3 rows and 3 columns, and therefore the order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. So it is square matrix. If number of rows are not equal to number of columns, if number of rows and number of columns are not equal, if M is not equal to N, then this matrix is known as rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. So suppose you have matrix B 2 cross 3 or matrix C 3 cross 4. These kind of matrices are rectangular matrices in which M is not equal to N. Fourth is diagonal matrix. Fourth is diagonal matrix, a square matrix in which it is a square matrix in which all the elements except the diagonal elements are 0. Now what do we mean by diagonal elements? So suppose A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. So these are our diagonal elements. These are our diagonal elements, and in diagonal elements you can see I is equal to J. Right? So if all the elements except the diagonal elements are 0, then we have diagonal matrix. So see this example. Suppose we have matrix A which is equal to 6, 0, 0, 0, minus 9, 0, 0, 0, 11. Now here you can easily see that elements except the diagonal elements, the value of the elements except the diagonal elements is 0, and therefore this matrix A is known as diagonal matrix. Now we have scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Now what do we mean by scalar matrix? A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are the same. All diagonal elements are same. So see this, suppose we have matrix A which is equal to 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. All diagonal elements are same. and therefore matrix A is known as scalar matrix. Then we have identity matrix. Identity matrix. A scalar matrix, this is a scalar matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal to 1. The value of all the diagonal elements is 1, and it is denoted by capital I. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. You can see the value of all the diagonal elements is equal to 1, and therefore it is known as identity matrix. Then we have triangular matrix, lower triangular or upper triangular. So first we have lower triangular matrix, and then we have upper triangular matrix. Now let's understand this with the help of example, and then we will see the definition. So suppose we have matrix A, that is 1 5 0 sorry 1 0 0 2 3 0, and last row is suppose 7 9 8. Now here you see elements above the main diagonal. This is our main diagonal. Elements above the main diagonal are 0. Elements above the main diagonal are 0, which is known as lower triangular matrix. Now what is upper triangular matrix? Let's see this example. Suppose we have matrix B, that is 1 7 minus 9, then we have 0 5 11, and then we have 0 0 minus 15. So in this case, if you see the main diagonal, elements below the main diagonal, below the main diagonal are 0, and therefore it is known as upper triangular matrix. Then we have a matrix called null or zero matrix. So what is null and zero matrix? A square matrix in which all elements are 0. So A is equal to, suppose we have 2 cross 2 matrix, 0 0 0 0. We have suppose 3 cross 3 matrix, 0, this is 0 0 0 0. So here A and B are null or zero matrix. Then we have matrix called symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Now what do we mean by symmetric matrix? Square matrix A is equal to Aij. This is square matrix. Now it is a symmetric matrix is a symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to Aji. Let's understand this with example. So suppose we have matrix A which is equal to 1 3 5 3 2 minus 1 5 minus 1 minus 1. Now here you can see A12 is 3. This is A12. And now you see the value of A21. See A21. It is 3. So therefore Aij is equal to Aji. Similarly, you see the value of A13, that is first row and third column. It is 5. So therefore A31, that is third row, first column. It is also 5. So a square matrix is a symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to Aji. So that is the idea of types of matrices. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.